Alright, I'm not going to do a long video because there's a lot of people down here. But this is, I don't know if you call it a beach, because this is what it looks like. And I'm at Little Girls Point. Trying to do my best not to really get any people kind of up close anyway. Not interested in starting fights. But I figured I was up here. I don't have the dogs because of people. This is a lot of people. Like, I don't know that I've ever seen this many people down here before, because it is literally just a lot. And I just drove through, I don't know how many miles of gravel to get here because they're fixing the road. But I figured I'd get a little video in. Trying to appreciate life for a minute. And this is an hour from my house. My sister lives very close to here, but I don't think I'm stopping there today. I have to get some stuff done at my house, and my son mowed the front lawn. And the back is a pain because there's a lot of crap back there. And so my goal is to have enough energy when I get back to get the lawn rest away mowed, because it is looking like a jungle back there. It's terrible. You know, part of me appreciates it because it is pretty. It's all green and lush, but it is kind of out of control, and we have park owners and all that kind of crap. So this is what I'm doing for part of the day. Jamming the tunes in my car. Come up here, take a little top walk. What? Oh, maybe dude's throwing stones. Because I'm not even sure where life is going from here. Because I really do feel like I'm at this point my son's ready to move on. Financially, I have no idea what that means for me, but fortunately for once in my life, I have a job that will work with me. As mind-numbing as it gets sometimes, the bad aspects, you know what? I don't want to go back into a salon. I want to do more of this. And I need to find some kind of passion. And I think my goal is to put a... Maybe I should be doing this. To put a bench. I want a standing bench and a sitting bench in that spare room, and do way more with all of the craft shit that I have, that I've already owned, and actually do something with it all instead of just collecting, which is sometimes the way it feels. I'm collecting for some moving target in the future that, unless I push towards it, you know, I think about it with this whole thing with my sister going on. I think to myself, And motorcycling is their freaking thing. They love it. He's freaking laid up like a mofo right now in that hospital. And that's all he thinks about is getting back on that bike. God, when I woke up in the hospital, all I could think about is why the fuck am I even here? And kids and nails, and my parents were so much the goal for so long. And nails. Biking and stuff, motorcycling, I don't know about that. I can't afford that kind of crap. I want something, well, I spent all of this money on crafts, and it sits in a room and does nothing, with me thinking, someday, well, this is going to be the someday. This is going to be the supplement to my income, hopefully. Because I do think that I have a creative drive to make money off this shit. If I do it in a way where it's not stress, I want to do it in a way where it's fun. Like this. I do this because I like it. And it does. You know, in the grocery store, when somebody asks me about my little walking videos, you know what? I am sorry. I am human. It makes me feel good that somebody else enjoys this. Because this is what I do. There's somebody with a Great Dane. Look at that shit. I'd bring Myrtle with, because Myrtle would be just like that. But I feel bad leaving Moon at home, and Moon, the two of them would just be freaking nightmare. I wouldn't be down here. So, because they both can't go, they both hang out at home. Not that it's that bad. They got the run of the house in the backyard. And I'm going to be heading home shortly. I don't care about all these people. Like this spot right here, I don't even know how far I want to walk, because the goal here was to, stretch my legs a little, but fuck all this. I don't know. Maybe I'll stop at Superior Falls if there's not too many cars sitting there. Take a little run down the hill. These stones feel really good on my feet. Anyway, I guess I will wrap this up today. Here's behind me. There was somebody walking up there, so I don't know. I feel weird filming people I don't know. But this is a public area. I can pretty much do what I want. But I don't care about fighting. And this, I had to follow this guy down the road. I've never seen that before. A pilot car follow me. Just to make sure nobody's driving like a freaking maniac, because, dude, I don't know how many cars behind me, and I was doing 30. We were only supposed to be doing 25, and I ain't looking to get pulled over. I'm sorry. Fucking slow the fuck down. You're up here to relax. I mean, their vehicles are parked up there, so this is where they were headed. I'm not comfortable going that fast on that freaking gravel, man. Cars slide all over the place, and I already got my sister in the hospital. I ain't looking for more. Anyway, it's Jennifer's bitch spot for the day. So, I will wrap this up for today. This is Jen. Jen's House of Zen. Oh, yeah. Okay, Jen's House of Zen. Wishing everybody freaking be kind to each other. And I am doing the best with what I have been given. Bye-bye.